Something big is coming, and when I say big, I do not mean the usual incremental GPU upgrade or a new processor with a slightly higher clock speed. I mean something that could genuinely change the way we think about what a PC is, what it does, and who makes the chips inside it. Just days before Computex 2026 in Taipei, both Nvidia and Microsoft posted the exact same cryptic message on their social media accounts. A new era of PC is coming. Same words, same timing, clearly coordinated, and the tech world has been buzzing ever since, trying to figure out exactly what that announcement means and why it matters so much. Today we are breaking down everything. We know everything that has been rumored, and why this particular Computex announcement could be one of the most significant moments in PC hardware history in years. First, let us talk about what we actually know, because the teaser itself was deliberately vague and designed to generate exactly the kind of speculation and anticipation that it has produced. Nvidia's social media accounts posted the phrase alongside the GPS coordinates of the Taipei Music Center, which is where Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang will be delivering his keynote as part of GTC Taipei 2026 during Computex Week. Microsoft joined in with the identical message on their official Windows account, which is the detail that turns this from an interesting Nvidia teaser into something genuinely significant and worth paying close attention to when Microsoft's Windows brand aligns itself publicly with a Nvidia hardware announcement before a major industry event. It is a strong signal that whatever is being announced has deep operating system level implications and is not simply a new graphics card or a faster version of an existing product category. The most compelling and well-sourced rumor that connects all of these dots is the long-discussed but never officially confirmed N1X platform. For those who have not been following the ARM PC space closely, here is the context you need. The N1X is a rumored NVIDIA-designed processor built around ARM architecture rather than the x86 architecture that has dominated desktop and laptop computing for decades. ARM chips, as most people now know from the success of Apple Silicon, in Mac computers, can deliver extraordinary performance per watt that x86 processors struggle to match. Apple demonstrated definitively with the M1, M2, M3, and M4 chip generations that ARM-based personal computers can be fast, efficient, and genuinely competitive with or superior to x86 machines for a wide range of real-world workloads. Nvidia has been watching that success closely, and the N1X represents their attempt to bring NVIDIA-designed ARM silicon to the Windows PC ecosystem in a way that could shake up the laptop and potentially the desktop market significantly. The timing of this announcement matters enormously because of where the broader ARM on Windows ecosystem stands right now. Qualcomm has been the dominant player in Windows on ARM with their Snapdragon X Elite and Snapdragon X Plus chips that launched in 2024 and have been selling in an increasing number of premium thin and light laptops. The Snapdragon X Elite delivered genuinely impressive performance per watt numbers and showed that Windows on ARM had matured to the point where it was a viable daily driver for many users, not just an experimental curiosity. But Qualcomm has had a relatively free run in the Windows ARM space since the Snapdragon X launch because no other major chip maker had a competing ARM Windows platform ready to ship. The N1X changes that competitive dynamic completely by bringing Nvidia's GPU design expertise and AI acceleration capabilities directly into the processor itself in a way that no current Windows on ARM chip can match. What makes the potential N1X platform particularly exciting and potentially disruptive is the combination of capabilities it could bring together in a single chip package. Nvidia's GPU architecture is the gold standard for AI compute performance at every scale from data center to consumer devices. An NVIDIA ARM processor that integrates their latest generation GPU architecture directly alongside high-performance CPU cores would have AI processing capabilities that dwarf what any current laptop processor can offer, including Apple's Neural Engine in the M4 chips, Microsoft's Copilot Plus PC initiative, which requires a minimum level of AI processing performance from a neural processing unit built into the processor, would be served extraordinarily well by a chip with NVIDIA's AI silicon expertise built in. We are potentially talking about a laptop chip that could run large language models locally, generate images in real time, accelerate creative AI tools, and handle gaming workloads all in a power envelope that fits in a thin and light laptop chassis without the noise, heat, and battery drain that a discrete GPU would require. The Microsoft alignment with this announcement is critical to understand in the context of their Copilot Plus PC strategy. Microsoft has been working hard to make AI-powered PC features a defining characteristic of the next-generation Windows experience, and the success of that strategy depends entirely on having hardware that can actually execute those AI workloads at the performance levels that make the features genuinely useful rather than just technically functional. The current generation of Copilot Plus PCs based on Snapdragon X, Intel Core Ultra, and AMD Ryzen AI chips have delivered varying levels of AI performance, but none of them have NVIDIA's GPU design heritage behind their AI acceleration. A Copilot Plus PC based on NVIDIA N1X silicon would have the most capable AI hardware of any laptop in the Windows ecosystem by a very significant margin, and that is exactly the kind of platform Microsoft needs to make their AI PC vision feel like a genuine leap forward rather than an incremental improvement. From a gaming perspective, the N1X platform raises fascinating questions that the tech community has been debating intensely since the teasers dropped. Nvidia's GPU architecture in a laptop ARM processor could theoretically deliver discrete GPU-level gaming performance in a fanless or near-fanless thin and light form factor, which would be genuinely unprecedented in the Windows laptop market, Apple Silicon has shown. That integrated GPU performance can be competitive with entry-level discrete GPUs while using dramatically less power, but Apple's GPU architecture is not optimized for the gaming workloads that Windows gamers care about in the same way that Nvidia's architecture is, if the N1X delivers gaming performance that approaches current discrete GPU entry-level cards while running in a slim chassis at laptop-friendly power levels. It would represent a fundamental shift in what buyers can expect from a portable gaming machine and what trade-offs they have to accept between performance, battery life, size, and weight, the software compatibility. Question is one that every serious discussion of Windows on ARM has to address honestly, because it has been the persistent challenge that has limited mainstream adoption of ARM Windows devices despite the genuine hardware improvements. The core issue is that a significant portion of Windows software, including many games, professional applications, and specialized tools, was written and compiled specifically for x86 processors and requires emulation to run on ARM architecture. Emulation adds performance overhead and in some cases creates compatibility issues that prevent certain applications from running correctly at all. Microsoft has been working steadily to improve x86 emulation performance and compatibility on ARM Windows, and the situation is meaningfully better in 2026 than it was when ARM Windows first launched years ago. But it is still not perfect, and for users who depend on specific x86-only applications, the compatibility question remains a real and practical consideration that needs honest acknowledgement rather than dismissal. Nvidia's entry into the ARM PC processor space would bring enormous resources and incentives to the software compatibility challenge that no previous ARM Windows chip maker has been able to bring. Nvidia has deep relationships with game developers, game engine makers, and the broader PC software ecosystem through their dominant GPU market position and the CUDA developer ecosystem. If Nvidia is seriously committed to making N1X a success, they have the relationships, the developer tools expertise, and the financial resources to drive native ARM compilation of games and applications in a way that could dramatically accelerate the pace at which the software compatibility gap closes. A major GPU maker with Nvidia's industry relationships telling game studios to ship native ARM builds of their titles carries significantly more weight than the same request coming from a chip maker with less leverage in the gaming ecosystem. The competitive implications for Intel and AMD if the N1X platform launches successfully and gains meaningful market traction are significant and worth thinking through carefully. Intel and AMD have both invested heavily in their x86 processor architectures and have delivered genuine improvements in performance per watt with their most recent generations, but neither company has the GPU design expertise that Nvidia brings, and neither has been able to match Apple Silicon's combination of CPU and GPU performance per watt in a thin and light laptop form factor. An Nvidia ARM chip that delivers Apple Silicon-level efficiency with Nvidia-level GPU and AI performance running Windows would put real competitive pressure on both Intel and AMD to respond in ways that could accelerate innovation across the entire PC processor market in ways that benefit consumers. What should you actually do with all of this information right now while the official announcement has not yet happened and the full specifications and pricing of any N1X products remain unconfirmed? The most important thing is to pay close attention to the Computex 2026 announcements from Jensen Huang's keynote at GTC Taipei, because if the N1X platform is indeed what Nvidia and Microsoft are teasing, the details that come out of that announcement will shape the laptop and PC market for the next several years. If you are currently in the market for a new laptop and have been considering one of the current Snapdragon X or Intel Core Ultra Copilot Plus PC options, it may be worth waiting to see what the Computex announcement actually reveals before committing to a purchase, because a genuinely capable Nvidia ARM laptop platform could represent a meaningful step change in what is available. The bigger picture here is that the PC industry in 2026 is more genuinely exciting and more open to fundamental change than it has been in a very long time. The combination of ARM architecture maturation, AI PC requirements creating demand for new kinds of silicon, Nvidia's ambitions beyond the discrete GPU market, and Microsoft's commitment to making AI a defining feature of Windows has created conditions where a genuinely new kind of PC platform can find a real and substantial market, whether the N1X lives up to the hype that these coordinated teasers have generated will become clear at Computex, but the fact that both Nvidia and Microsoft felt confident enough to coordinate a public teaser campaign for it suggests that whatever they are about to announce is real, it is significant, and it is close to being in consumers' hands. A new era of PC may not just be marketing language. It might actually be exactly what they mean. The implications of a successful Nvidia ARM PC platform extend well beyond the laptop market into territory that could eventually affect desktop computing as well, while the initial N1X products are expected to be laptop-oriented given the power efficiency advantages of ARM architecture that matter most in battery-powered portable devices. A successful ARM laptop platform from Nvidia would create the foundation and the ecosystem momentum for eventual ARM desktop products as well. Apple has already demonstrated that ARM desktop chips can deliver workstation-class performance with the Mac Studio and Mac Pro M series products and a Windows ARM ecosystem that gains serious momentum through successful laptop products would create the market conditions where an ARM desktop platform becomes commercially viable and attractive for Nvidia to pursue. The long-term scenario where Windows PC desktops offer the choice between x86 from Intel and AMD and ARM from Nvidia is not as distant or unlikely as it might have seemed just 2 years ago. The developer ecosystem response to the N1X platform launch will be one of the most important factors determining whether this new era of PC materializes as a genuine paradigm shift or remains a premium niche product. Native ARM application development on Windows requires developers to compile their software specifically for ARM architecture rather than relying on emulation, and the incentive to do that work depends heavily on whether the ARM Windows user base is large enough to justify the investment. Nvidia's entry into this space with a compelling and differentiated product could provide exactly the market momentum needed to push the native ARM development conversation from a nice-to-have to a genuine business priority for major software publishers. Game studios, professional application developers, and creative software makers would all have strong reasons to prioritize native ARM builds if Nvidia's platform gains traction with buyers who are choosing it specifically. Because of its GPU and AI performance advantages, the pricing of N1X laptops will be a critical variable in determining how quickly and broadly this potential new era of PC actually reaches consumers. Apple Silicon Macs at the premium end of the market have demonstrated that buyers will pay significant premiums for genuinely differentiated performance and efficiency, but Apple benefits from tight hardware-software integration and an established luxury positioning that Windows ARM products have not yet achieved. If N1X laptops launch at price points that compete with current premium ultrabooks and gaming laptops on value while delivering meaningfully better AI and GPU performance, the commercial reception could be strong. If they launch at significant premiums above equivalent x86 Windows systems, the adoption curve will be slower and more dependent on early adopter enthusiasm than on broad mainstream appeal. The AI workload capabilities of the N1X platform deserve specific attention because they represent the most differentiated and potentially most practically impactful aspect of what Nvidia could bring to the laptop market. Local AI inference has become increasingly important for privacy-conscious users and for workflows where internet connectivity is unreliable or where the latency of cloud-based AI services is problematic. Running a capable language model locally on your laptop without sending data to external servers has clear appeal for enterprise users working with sensitive information and for creative professionals who want AI assistance available offline. Current Copilot Plus PCs can run certain local AI models but are constrained by the performance limits of their integrated NPUs. An Nvidia ARM chip with genuine GPU-grade AI acceleration built-in would expand the range of local AI models that are practically usable on a laptop to an entirely different level, potentially making on-device AI experiences that currently require desktop workstation hardware accessible in a portable form factor for the first time. What Computex 2026 ultimately reveals about the N1X and the new era of PC that Nvidia and Microsoft are teasing together will set the direction for the Windows PC market in ways that will be felt for years. The pieces are clearly in place for something genuinely significant. Nvidia's GPU and AI expertise, Microsoft's deep integration of AI into Windows, the maturation of ARM architecture for mainstream computing, and a PC market that is hungry for genuine innovation after years of incremental improvements, whether the announcement lives up to the considerable hype that the coordinated teasers have generated. Whether the products arrive at prices consumers find compelling, and whether the software ecosystem responds with the native ARM development investment needed to make the platform fully realized. These are the questions that will determine whether we look back on Computex 2026 as the moment the PC industry changed direction or as an exciting preview of something that took longer than expected to fully arrive. Either way, it is the most interesting moment in PC hardware in years and absolutely worth watching closely. One more dimension of the Computex 2026 story that deserves attention is the signal this announcement sends about the future of the GPU discrete market itself. For years, Nvidia's business model has been centered on selling powerful discrete graphics cards that plug into x86 systems from Intel and AMD, if Nvidia is now building entire system on chip processors with their GPU architecture integrated. It represents a meaningful expansion of how they think about their place in the PC ecosystem. Rather than being a GPU supplier to PC makers who build around Intel or AMD processors, Nvidia could increasingly become a complete platform provider that competes directly for the entire system design rather than just the graphics subsystem.